This is the Boeing 737-200. They're built between 1969 and 1988. They're equipped with Pratt & Whitney JT8D low bypass cigar engines. Just listen to that distinctive whine. The cabin is decidedly retro. This is a combi aircraft designed to carry a combination of cargo and passengers together on the main deck. Designed to operate on unimproved runway surfaces, such as gravel, these aircraft are distinguished with a skid under the nose gear to prevent gravel from hitting underside of the fuselage, and vortex generator ahead of the engine intake to prevent debris from being ingested into the engine. And of course, you want to see what it's like to land and take off from an unimproved runway. So here we go to Puvirnituq in the northern Hudson Bay region. To see my full trip report, please follow the link in the description.